as part of our discovery and creation process, we have spent a lot of time going through rapid prototyping and testing, and as such we had a chance to show our entire design team what their new workstations could look like.
I'm excited about the new office layout, being able to still have our collaborative open space, more conference areas.
And then we'll have all this layout space where you can really work together in a collaborative environment to develop the palette and also store the materials there so that you can have this one central zone.
We're making decisions that we make for and with our clients on an everyday basis, but when we're designers designing for themselves is always a challenge, and making those final commitments to colors and materials. So it's also a great way to build consensus and a little bit of excitement. We were able to sort of kick the tires on some great conference seating, some of the technology integration, storage options, the way we can do some of our ideation in our multi-purpose and mapping areas.
One of the major factors that came out of all of our visioning with the staff was sit to stand, or the option to have standing workstations.
This is nice. You can adjust it to the height that you like. I can come down here and be a little more ergonomical.
I'm looking forward to having a sort of tighter knit floor plan where there's more interaction between the staff.
We're going to get an entirely new cable lead plant. Okay, it won't look like this spaghetti mess like it looks right now. We'll have a nice cable management system in place.
One of the great features that we're going to have in our new space is the shared resource library, which is going to combine both the architectural and interior samples into one shared location.
Location, location, location.
Neighborhood's awesome. I mean, it's got that little small town kind of feel to it. You can, get out of the office and just take a walk.
And my commute got shorter, so I'm really looking forward to that.
This move for me has a very, very special meaning. This would be the last place of my career. So I hope that I will have so many good memories in this new place like I had in all the others.